Today's plan: precise entries, confident trades, and maximum profit. Starting with $70, using 3-minute expirations on the M1 timeframe to catch local impulses and react to the market faster. Filtering the market, selecting top currency pairs with the highest payouts. Our arsenal today includes 3 pairs, plus the alligator indicator, which perfectly tracks trends. Once the jaws of the indicator expand, the market is gaining momentum. Seeing consolidation? It might be a reversal. Time to enter. First trade, instantly investing $70 on a down trade. Sharp drop. Trade closes in profit, plus $64 to the balance. Great start. Switching to another currency pair, we see a local low, after which the price moves within a channel. This is the perfect moment to enter UP, jumping in on the rebound. Entering UP, investing $134 for 3 minutes, monitoring the setup and waiting for the result. Want to analyze the market like this and enter confidently? I have a powerful course where I teach rare but super effective indicators and strategies. After this, silly mistakes will be a thing of the past. Bank is growing. Second trade brings plus $257. Perfect level, market confirmed the move. Unfortunately, one of the currency pairs is currently unavailable, but that's no reason to stop. We're going back to euro per Canadian dollar. Clear uptrend. Alligator confirms the momentum. Price holding above all 3 lines, jaws pointing upwards. Seeing a strong breakout. That's our entry signal. Investing $313 on an UP trade. A quick reminder about my Telegram channel. There, I share top-tier analysis, market news, and fresh trade setups. Stay ahead of the game, link in the description. Yes, third trade closes with a solid profit, $494 in the pocket. Final market breakdown, Swiss francs per Japanese yen. We see a strong downtrend, alligator expanding downward, price testing 170.727, but no signs of a reversal yet. That means we continue down. Put trade, no doubts. Final trade, going in heavy. Target achieved. Fourth trade plus $948 total for today.